Rise and shine, kids. I hope you all are doing well. In today's English class, we are going to cover a grammar topic of articles, that is, definite article, the. So, let's study the definite article the. Before that, I hope you have understood indefinite article a and an. Let's study about the definite article the. Let's study the rules of definite article the. It is used before the unique objects or unique places. Example, the sun, the sky, the moon. My kids, the is used before the unique object or places which are unique, like the sun, the star, the earth, the moon, the Eiffel Tower, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar. These all are unique. So, my kids, the is placed before the unique objects or unique places. Okay. The second rule is it is used before the name of mountains, rivers, oceans, deserts, etc. My kids, second rule says it is placed before the name of mountain, like the Mount Everest. It is placed before the name of the rivers, like Brahmaputra River, Ganges River. It is placed before the name of the oceans like the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, kids? It is placed before the name of the deserts also, like the Sahara Desert, the Aravali Range. These all are the particular name of the mountain, river, ocean, deserts, etc. I hope the second rule is clear to you. The third rule says it is placed before the name of the books, like the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Mahabharat, and the Quran. These are the certain name of the books that are being mentioned in the slide. So my kids, it is also placed before the name of the particular books. It's not compulsory it the is placed before only religious book, but it is placed before the name of the books. Okay. Now let's move to the fourth rule. It is used before the superlative degree. We all have studied about degree of comparison in adjectives. What degree of comparison? Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. What is superlative degree? When comparison of one is among all, like I am the smartest child in my class. So smartest will be the superlative degree. So before superlative degree, we place the, like I am the tallest man in my house. I am the best girl in the world. Star are very brightest. So my kids, with superlative degree, we use the. Fifth rule say before musical instruments we use the, like the violin, the guitar, the tabla, the bongo. Before musical instruments we place the. Next is before an adjective to denote a class or the people of the country. Like if I'm saying the Japanese people, I'm referring to the people of the Japan, right? If I'm saying Japanese Chinese people, so I'm talking about the people of China, right? So before the people of the country, like Japanese, Chinese, Indians, Sikhs, these all are the people of the particular country, or we can say it is also used before the uh, particular group. It could be of any religious group. Okay, like if I'm saying the Buddhist monks are very nice towards other, I am talking about the particular group or class, that is Buddhist monks, right? Or I can say the Sikh people are very helpful towards other. I am talking about which people? Sikh people. So my kids, it is also placed, the is also placed before the people of the country, and the is also placed before the people of the country, a class or section. For example, I'm saying the English people are very confident. So I'm talking about which people? The English people. The old, the rich, the poor. These all are the particular class or the section or group. Okay, kids? Now, before ordinals, we all have studied about ordinals in our maths subject, right? The first, the ninth, the 10th, the 12th, these all are ordinals. Okay, kids? Next is before proper names, plural of the people nation. Like just I have told you, the French people, the Indians, the Japanese, the Muslim people, the Christian people. So I'm talking about the proper names in plural of. Okay. Next is it is used with abbreviations. Abbreviations means short form like the UN. UN की full form क्या है? United Nation. The USA. United States of America. Okay, kids? We use the when we know that there is only one of a particular thing. One of a particular thing means unique, like the sky, the world, north pole, south pole. These all are unique and particular things. I hope the rule of the is clear to you. Now let's move to the exercise. The dash earth goes dash the sun. What will be the answer? The earth goes round the sun. Exactly. The earth is also unique, particular, and sun is also unique. I love watching the sunrise in the morning. Morning and sunrise are also unique, right? The Himalayas stand as essential to a country. The Himalayas. We are talking about the Himalayas. The man in the blue suit is a principal. We are particularly talking about a man who is wearing a blue suit is our principal. My sister is working in USA. In the USA. USA is an abbreviation, so we'll be writing in the USA. I hope I hope the definite article is clear to you. If you face any query, you can ask me. Thank you, kids.